So now our next step would be to do what's called a shear diagram. Shear force is essentially a force that's going to shear the beam apart vertically. And so that's one of the ways that a beam can fail. So to draw a shear diagram, I'm going to label that V. V is the symbol they use for shear. Don't ask me why, it just is. And what I usually do is I draw a line that goes across the span of the beam. And so to figure out how much shear force is in this beam, we start with 12,000 pounds upward because there's a force right there at the beginning. So this is going to be 12,000. Then now it's going to have this downward load that's going to continue to go downward. So you're going to get this sort of triangular shape. And at some point it's going to reach zero here right in the center of the beam. And then that downward force is going to create negative shear in the beam. And then at the end we have a 12,000 pound force going upward. So I'll label this as negative 12,000 down here. And so that's our shear diagram. That tells us how much internal shear force the beam is experiencing due to this external load. And as you can see, the maximum shear in this beam is going to be right here at the beginning and right here at the end. So at these 2 points here near the supports, that's where the beam is most likely to shear apart.